So now that you've actually started your story writing journey, now you're wondering, how can I actually get my dollar? How can I get my paycheck? So this is how you're going to be doing it. I actually used to use an account. I'm going to be showing you two different accounts that you can actually use to receive your payment. From that account, you can send your payment to your bank account straight up. And then the second one is my favorite, which because it has the sweetest rates and it has all the things that you basically need.
So the very first account you're going to be checking out is gray.com. Go to your Chrome browser, your Google browser, and type in Gray account. Click on the very first link. It's going to take you to this particular page. Once you sign in successfully with your Google account, so to set up your account, you're going to need your full name and make sure that you input the name according the way your name is on your ID, because you're going to be needing it. And also when you're inputting your ID, like for instance your country, make sure you pick your country that you are, and then you have the ID of that country with you. For instance, now you're Nigerians but you're not in Nigeria, and then wherever you are, you have the ID of that particular country with you. So you're going to be picking that country that you have the ID with you. You get my point. Now you fill in the necessary information according to the prompt given out on the page. Then you submit and continue with your registration. This is exactly how the front page is going to look like. So the next step is to verify your identity. To verify your identity, all you have to do is just to click on this blue button down there. Then you verify by inputting your country, your address, your zip code. If you don't know your zip code or postal code, go on Google or Chrome browser, just type postal code of your particular location and it's going to bring it out to you. Then you input it and save. To the next stage, you're going to be in your ID, you're going to be capturing your face, and yeah, that's all you need for the registration of Gray account. And also you're going to be needing a bill statement, maybe like a NEPA bill or utility bill. So you're going to be needing it as well. So I missed that first. So that is all you need. So the second account that we are going to be opening is Geekpay, which is one of my favorite accounts. And all you have to do is just to go to your Chrome browser and type in Geegpay account. Geegpay is also known as Raenest. They just changed its name, and you can click on the one with the purple logo and create your account. Now once you log in, you're going to see personal or business. You click on personal. So once you click personal accounts, then you click on continue. Select your country. You can choose Nigeria. It works in Africa. It doesn't matter who you are, I mean where you are watching from. So just choose your country and continue, because you're going to be needing, you have to be transparent because you're going to be needing your details. So now input your email address, or you can sign in with Google, which I prefer. Yeah, you sign in with Google because I already have an account, so I don't want to create a new account. So this is how you're going to follow it up with the process until you finish setting up your account. So a verification code is going to be sent to your mail. You copy the code and paste it in the box and verify your account. So this is how your front page is going to look like. And then for you to get the details that you need on your what's it called from you, this place, your bank account, your Swift code, your routing number. The reason why I like using Geekpay is because of all of these routing numbers. So yeah, they usually request for it where you want to apply for your contract. Even before you apply for your contract, you need to put in your details for payments. Yeah, so once you done with that, you can easily have access to your routing number, and you copy and paste it on that particular app, and that's all you need to get paid. I hope this video is helpful. Let me know in the comment section which of the accounts are you going to be opening. I prefer you open the both accounts. So yeah, see you in my next video, and do take care of yourself. Bye.